Welcome back to part 3 of Summer Health Tips. Today we'll be discussing ways to stay healthy while performing yard work. Whether you're mowing, gardening, or even building a retaining wall, begin following this advice to be at your best. First, if you haven't already, check out Summer Health Tips Part 1. In that video, I discuss ways to avoid the effects of too much sun, overheating, and dehydration. If you're out in your yard, exposed to the elements, then it's important to follow that advice. It includes wearing the proper sunscreen, taking breaks in the cool or the shade, and making sure you're getting enough water. Another bit of advice is to limit the load you are carrying. This certainly depends on your size and strength. You shouldn't strain while lifting or carrying, and if you realize that your load may be too heavy, don't hesitate to ask for help with that retaining wall block or composite bag of trimmings. That being said, make sure you're lifting properly. Use your glutes and hamstrings when lifting from the ground. Whether it's heavy or not, activate these large, strong muscle groups and remember to avoid rounding your back. Instead, keep it as straight as possible through your lift. Proper form will prevent a lot of soreness and injury from happening. If you're mowing, raking, or tilling the garden, similar principles apply as to when you're lifting. Use your large muscle groups in your legs as much as possible and keep your back as straight as you can. When mowing, walk in a normal fashion. Keep upright and not hunched over the push bar. If your handle extends upward, you may benefit from that as well if you're a little bit taller than average. Finally, having a strong foundation is vital to avoiding injury while performing yard work this summer. Structural issues may be present in your spine and pelvis without any symptomatic indication. Mowing or lifting may be the activity that exploits the weakness in your structure. Structural chiropractic can help restore your foundation and help you avoid the negative effects of yard work. If you're interested in learning more about how Keystone Chiropractic can help you this summer, contact us today. We'd be honored to have that conversation with you. Thanks for watching today's blogcast.